Well, I get depressed too, and I don't
I beg your
feel
pardon?
good. Depressed?
Do you understand what depression is?
Nope.
I will explain it to
Okay.
you. Every single one of you has a natural state from time to time called compression. When you are searching for answers you know cannot be found in the outer reflection of the world, you withdraw within where you know all the answers actually lie.
Okay.
But that's a natural state. Compression. And then when you discover and redefine yourself in that compressive state, you reemerge as a new person. When you define the act of compression through a negative belief system, you experience it as depression. Because then it prevents you from using the natural compressive state to find the answers that you seek, because you've imposed a negative definition on the experience as if there's something wrong with going within.
Okay.
So change your definitions, you will change the experience.
Okay. So embrace it. Is
All
that what
right.
you're saying?
First of all, embrace that you have the negative definition that is turning compression into depression.
Okay.
Recognize that it's in your control to change that by discovering what negative definition you would have attached to the concept of compression that would make it be experienced by you in a negative way. Once you discover and identify consciously what that negative belief or definition is, you will realize that it makes no sense to hold on to it, it's illogical, and you'll drop it. And as soon as you drop it, you will start feeling that particular action as compression in a more positive way, and you will use it more positively to redefine yourself and reemerge as a new person more intentionally, more consciously.